Hello and welcome to this week's Before You Buy. We're going to be taking a look at Moebius Models, 1964 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Super Sport Coupe. I don't think they technically got the Nova name until 68, generally referred to as the Chevy 2. But here we are on the side art, showing off that stock 283 cubic inch engine. Very nice interior detail. Of course, the hood opens. And the end is the same as the cover with a part number of 2320. And here's another shot of a built-up chrome parts and fully detailed decal sheet. This is a hardtop car. The Nova Gasser is a sedan bodied 65. So there is a couple of body variances, but let's get into this kit. Here you see it packaged, body loose on its own. Again, that hard top body. We'll take a closer look in just a minute. So let's get through. We got a chrome tree there, a second chrome tree, clear tree, and some of our opaque parts here. And we got 4 tires loose, nice large colored instructions, and a decal package. As typical, we will get her unbagged and get a closer look. Okay, let's kick her off with these nice colored instructions from Moebius. Very well done. I love it when they do the kind of factory paint colors, giving you some nice color swatches and numbers. A few notes and some contact info and standard Moebius layout with the instructions. Well done setup, and of course getting a great look at a built-up. Check out that stock engine bay, that nice stock interior, detailed chassis, engine before going in. Love the kind of banana yellow color that they chose. Good look on the car, those stock hubcaps. And they even break down all the extra parts that you get. And there's a nice parts box filling from Moebius. Again, this is a hardtop, same as the Resto Mod variant. Well, let's get a closer look at this hardtop. We do have some badging on the side, little Nova SS script, the upper radiator support with the hood latch, cowl vents, nice chrome trim going around. We got a door lock, door handle locating points. Do have our visors on the roof. Some trademark there on the inside. And we got the tires right here. We do have 4 identical tires. Very simple stock size tires. Again, no branding on either side. Into nice clear section here. We got window, back glass, headlights, vent windows. And we'll jump over to chrome. There are those real nice stock hubcaps, wheel covers, our separate wipers, really nice grille, like some trim there. We do have some light bezels, shifter, some aftermarket valve covers, gauges. We do get our separate door handles there. Looks like headlight buckets. Real sharp looking chrome tree there. And here we have some bumpers. Got our side mirrors over here. Some aftermarket valve covers. They're kind of a pre-plan for the resto mod. Same with the air cleaner over here. Looks like we got a real thin antennas and light bezels. Looks like our front hood lip, horn ring, some more light bezels, and a couple more shifters there. Choose appropriately. And here we got, looks like stock air cleaner, stock intake, a couple of rad hoses, and possibly a choice of transmissions. We do have an automatic there and a manual. Into the additional engine parts, got a carburetor, fan, oil pan, stock valve covers. Looks like a high-rise intake, again for that resto mod variant. Cylinder heads, trans pan, more cylinder heads, front cover, fan belt. Looks like a Holly style carburetor, starter, oil fill tube, fuel pump, alternator, distributor, maybe an oil filter. Got our stock kind of ram horn exhaust manifolds, and there is our two-piece engine block. Moving along, we do have, looks like a body panel there. Take a quick look at this dash. Real nice detail, has the radio in there, some gauges and buttons, and a sharp looking body pan. No exhaust molded in. We do have our gas tank molded in, but that's no big deal. Always good to see separate components under the chassis. And we got some interior work. We got the rear seat. Real crisp detail there. You got the speaker and grill. Steering column with indicator, hood hinges, seat backs, or pedals for the manual setup. Got a firewall, fan shroud, and radiator. The other side of our radiator and radiator shell. A tail panel there with the Nova SS script and some emblems. A nice flat stock hood. Nice detail underneath. Got our door panels. Really nice detailed trim, prominent armrests and door handles. Easy to detail out. Got some backing plates there, some wheel components, a couple of horns, and our two-pot brake cylinder. Our seats floating around here. Looks like we've got bucket seats for this car. Again, that same pattern as the rear seat. We got exhaust setup. So we got a kind of a hot rod and stock style setup. We got inner fender wells, some shocks, some subframe spring. There's an automatic set of pedals, stock rear end housing, drive shaft, a couple of mounts there. And last of our parts, we get a trio of center consoles, depending on manual or automatic. Very nice to see some options there. Looks like we got a set of traction bars there. Again, coming from the resto mod. Same with the dry cell battery. Looks like we got a coolant tank. Simple steering wheel. Wheel spindles. There's our stock battery. Maybe some A-arms there. The kind of mono-leaf rear springs. The whole suspension assembly there. And that'll do it. Other than the decals, just a simple decal setup for a stock Nova or Chevy 2. We got some plates, we got some gauges, some wheel cover centers, some side emblems, tailgate emblems, and that'll do it. We'll get some detailed pictures for the end of it. And thanks for watching.